Virtual Fun Art Web 3. Hi everyone, just want to show you this website called soundchains.org. What's great about this website is that you can actually create your own AI music, and also you can actually mint that AI music on the Soneium blockchain, and I think you can also do it on the base blockchain as well. So I'll show you how I managed to actually create a song and mint it. So first of all, if you haven't already, you need to sign up. I believe, yeah, I just typed in my email address to sign up. So it's like it's got a sort of account abstraction sort of wallet. And yeah, after doing that, I then went to settings. I put my avatar in, which is my penguin, my display name, Virtual Fun Art. And yeah, you need to ideally link your wallet so it can link you to the blockchain. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I think you do get some credits when you first start. So I have 30 credits left. I might have started with 50. And then we can just get going and start creating things. Well, I can show you what I created.
You got a message.
So all you do is click create, go text to music. And yeah, simply put in your song title, your style, and your lyrics. So here's one I done earlier. Yeah, so once you've done it, just click generate, but here's one I done earlier.
Yeah.
Let me fast forward it a bit so you can get to the main bit.
We unfold, we got Alexa climbing this a guy on the rise. Infinite adventures right in front of your eyes. No more clunky interfaces, keep it sleek, keep it fast. Built for the pioneers, a vision made to last. It's a StarTale app, yeah, you were tapping the vein. Soneium L2, yeah, we're changing the game. Open up a minute.
Yeah, so I called this the StarTale app wrap. Yeah, what inspired me to do it is the release of the StarTale app to the public, which is a Soneium chain app. So obviously you have to start with some lyrics first. And I have to admit, I didn't come up with these lyrics because AI can help me do that. But what I did do is put the sort of words that I want to be in the song. So I think when I typed into this Gemini chat app, I think I said, yeah, tell me about StarTale app and what it does and what sort of games are on there, etc. And once I got all that information, I just said, now write lyrics based on this. And yeah, it gave me those lyrics. I said what sort of style I wanted it to be, and I wanted something which was a bit funky house and rap. And these are lyrics that are generated. A word of caution though, if you are generating lyrics, then you want to be able to prove those lyrics are yours. You want to own them. And I do recommend that you actually sign up to an AI tool, whether it's ChatGPT or Gemini. I use Gemini, and as you see, I've got Gemini Pro, which costs about $18 a month. So yeah, that keeps me a bit more safe legally because yeah, I think they do say that you can use these sort of things for commercial use if you're actually signed up. So yeah, just a word of caution. Yeah, and also don't steal lyrics from anyone else. That's not a good idea. So yeah, they're the lyrics. The style, that can be quite a tricky one to think about, but because I actually quite like dance music in general and house music, but yeah, funky house actually has quite a good beat to it. Yeah, so I just done that, and I specifically made male vocals on this song. And because this called StarTale app rap, it's kind of took that into account as well. That's why it's got like a sort of rap style to it as well, and I think it suited this song. Once you have created your song, you can then go to your page where it will appear. See, here is my song. And if you hover over this, you can even download it to your computer. Yeah, so from this point, you probably want to actually mint it onto the Soneium chain, which I've already done. If you want to mint it, you just simply click this. I think there's a little bug in the system where if you've already minted it, it doesn't actually say you've minted it. So, I mean, I could prove I minted it by clicking the button, and on my Ravi wallet, actually says here, look, already minted. It won't allow me. So that means this song is currently an NFT on the Soneium blockchain. And yeah, it's a song NFT. And then, yeah, going forward, you probably want to sell that or put it up for sale, which I've already done. Yeah, if you want to sell a track, just click this. You can add a cover, that's optional. You can say what network you want to put it on. I chose Soneium, and I chose a sale price of $5. And then you can just list for sale. Yeah, that's it really. And if someone wants to buy it, they can go to the marketplace, and it comes under music for sale. Yeah, and if you type in StarTel app wrap, it appears. And when you sell it, you can still you can still list it for sale because you will always be the creator. So just imagine you've got unlimited copies of that music. So yeah, people got to pay £5 to own a record, if you like, or $5, I mean, to own a record. Also, what I've done, I created a reel. So up here, when you click Reels, I uploaded a video reel. So I turned it into a music video. Yeah, so you see it's not a bad video. See the awakening, the guardians. Yeah, the dragons are out. Or hit the burrow bash. Tell me what it's about. Clash horse on the track. Yeah, I think the reel just helps it get more visibility on the platform. Also, I quite like creating music videos. If you want to know how to create a music video, well, this is how I done it here. So I actually used an AI tool called Google Flow, which is a website you can go to. I'll include all the links in the description. But yeah, with Google Flow, it's actually a paid service, but some AI tools actually can generate video for you, and usually they generate 8 seconds worth of video. So I've created just a long video by simply stitching those smaller pieces of video together. And I've done this within a website, sorry, not a website, a bit of software called Blender. So what you're currently looking at is Blender. Blender is an open source piece of software you can download today, and you can basically import your videos into it and play it on a timeline. So this is the yeah. If I just play it, you can see. So this is one video clip here, and then it will move on to the second one. And what's good about Google Flow is that you can actually extend your videos to add more to it. And then you can use this software to make it more seamless as it transitions from one video to another. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Yeah, and if you're a bit more advanced with Blender, you can even put an adjustment layer in which makes the colors look more vibrant, so you can mess around with the colors. Yeah, you can play with resolution. So I chose this to be an output of 800 by 800, like a square, and that's quite suitable for X platform, Twitter. Yeah, I can. Yeah, if you want to know more about this sort of stuff, leave a comment and I'll make a video on it. Yeah, so I can show you the whole video now. But that's pretty much it. That's how you make one, and I'd love to see your creations. So yeah, let's watch this video from the beginning and see what you think.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Yo, check the screen, see the future in the palm of your hand. StarTale on Soneium, the hottest tech in the land. The super app ecosystem, yeah, we're breaking the mold. From the gaming to the social, watch the story unfold. We got Alexa climbing, it's a guy on the rise. Infinite adventures right in front of your eyes. No more clunky interfaces, keep it sleek, keep it fast. Built for the pioneers, a vision made to last. It's the StarTale app, yeah, we're tapping the vein. Soneium L2, yeah, we're changing the game. Open up a mini app, find a brand new world with the flags of the creators and the gamers unfurled. StarTale, the gateway is here. Yeah, the Web3 futures. Looking crystal clear. Yo, see the awakening, the guardians. Yeah, the dragons are out, or hit the burrow bash. Tell me what it's about. Clash horse on the track, yo, we're betting on the pace. Cool cats in the building, adding style to the space. Got the dice of die rolling with a cat with the glow. Heroes are hicking nose, watch the energy flow. Morning moon in the pocket, yeah, the farm is a vibe. Running up with the community, the ultimate tribe. Back flip the starter, or go legendary tier. Pocket knife with a trinity, the legends are near. One tap, open mini at the southern Geneve. Scaling up the network with the Sony back speed. Pass keys for the entry, no more losing the key. The bridge to the mainstream for you and for me. From the devs to the players, yeah, we're all on the map. Welcome to the rhythm of the StarTale app. Soneium StarTale Flow. More apps coming soon. Watch the ecosystem grow. Yeah.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. See ya. Don't get left behind. Subscribe for the latest Web3 guides.